Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use the Chatroulette app on your mobile phone. First open the Play Store and search for Chatroulette, then install the app. I already have it installed, so I am going to open it now. Wait a few seconds for the app to load. Once it opens, tap on Accept and I understand. Next, allow access to your camera and microphone. After that, sign in using one of these available options. I am going to sign in with Google. Once you sign in, you will see this interface. Just like on the web version, you need to show your page to start chatting. You can switch between your front and back camera using the button in the top right corner. By tapping on the profile icon, you can see your account details. The messaging tab is where you can check your messages. In filters tab, you can choose topic to talk about. I am going to select gaming and tap on apply. You can also change the language and country for free in the filters. After everything is set, show your face, tap on start and enjoy chatting. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.